Hello guys, welcome back to Zeke the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix GCash Access Temporarily Blocked, as you can see. So all you need to do is actually follow the instruction as you can see on my screen. They said access temporarily blocked, GCash dictated suspicious changes, reinstall your GCash app from the official app store or visit help center if issue persists. So all you need to simply do is actually close up the app, go to your Play Store, and once you're on Play Store, you click on search and search for GCash. So once you click on GCash, search for it and you're going to see it. Click on it and uninstall the app. So I've uninstalled the app. Once I do that, click on install and we're going to restore the app again. That's simply what you need to do. So it's already installing. It's going to take a while to actually install, but we are going to wait for it to install fully. So there's no two way about it. It's just a simple thing you have to do: uninstall the app and reinstall the app again. Then it's going to start working perfectly fine again. So it's at 40%. It's going. That issue can be so unbearable because a lot of people would have tried it and it keeps on persisting. So all you need to go is actually go to the help center and read all the instructions there on how they can actually help you fix it up. Okay, so we're still waiting. My internet connection is not that fast and strong to actually do this once and for all, because I actually want you to see the outcome after I've uninstalled and installed it again. So it's going 19%. Okay, so it's quite simple to actually do. Okay, and it's going 100%. Okay, it's installing now, so we have to be patient a little longer for it to fully install, and we'll open up the app and see how it's going to be. So click on open and okay, so let's go and open up the app and okay, so it's still loading because I just installed it. You can see mine is opening already, so you can see mine is actually working perfectly fine now. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.